today's tutorial, we will talk about how to use Glob module in Python. So, Glob modules allows us to easily search for files and directories using wildcard and patterns. So, whether you need to process multiple files or simply find a specific file in some directory, the Glob module has got you covered. By the end of this video, you will learn how to use the Glob module effectively in Python. So, let's get started. So, what is Glob module? We have already talked about we can use it to search file and directories using wildcard and patterns. So wildcards are just similar to how we use wildcards in command line to search something. So let's look at examples. Here is a simple example. All you need to do is import glob and then glob.glob, and in parentheses you specify the path or a pattern. Okay, so let's create some files here. I think these three files are enough. So I will look for my current directory, which is in D drive Python to do, and this folder is in to do, right? So I will say in current folder there is data for glob and it has text files, right? And I will say bring me any text file with any name, but its extension should be .txt. So when I print this, you will see that it returned me a list containing the paths of all the files. Then I can use these paths to do whatever I want in my project. If we have directories with complex structures like folder within folder within folder, we can use recursive file search using Glob as well. Here is an example. All you need to do is specify your pattern and add this recursive argument as true, which is by default false. So if I show you glob.glob, you can see that it takes recursive as false by default. So I will just comment this up. Okay, so the way to do the recursive search is you need to specify path and you will define, and you will write double asterisk. So if I want to, like, let's create folders in our directory. We have a structure here. So in data for glob, we have a folder 1, which has a text file, and another folder 2, and which has file named 22 with extension py. So let's look for all files within our current working directory, which was this to do, right? And fetch me any Python file, no matter in which folder it is in our particular hierarchy of directories. Here you go. As you can see, it has successfully retrieved the path to this file, which is right here. Plus I can get all the text files that are present in all the directories that we have in this this to do folder, and you can see it has everything that we have created so far, plus the folder plus the file that we created in the folder named 1.txt. So it's a powerful tool if it's used right. So what we have learned so far is what is glob module, how to use glob module, and we looked at few examples with how to specify a pattern, and how to do recursive file search using Glob. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.